But I just want to tell you a story. I was paying for me lunch the other week, and there was two tills or cash registers next to each other, and they had Halloween cookies for sale at this particular place. You know, like pumpkins and zombies, and there was some ghost one that looked particularly tasty. So I said, can I have one of those ghost cookies as well? And just as I said it, the lady next to me at the adjacent cash register also said, oh, can I have a ghost cookie, please? And I said to the lady serving me, wow, you could say they're selling like ghost cookies. And she said, what? And I said, you could say they're selling like ghost cookies.